A Fox 5 update. The wife of a television series star accused of plotting to have her husband murdered was in court today. Victoria Goodwin is married to Ghost Adventure star Goodwin. She was arrested on March 6 in Las Vegas. Court documents show Victoria was messaging an inmate in a Florida prison about a possible murder for hire plot. Her husband filed for a divorce days later. Today, Victoria waived her right to a preliminary hearing. She is due back in court in 2 weeks.